Do you wake up too often at night to urinate? It is frustrating and can disturb your health. But do you also know there are some vegetables that can help you reduce this problem naturally? Don't worry, I got you covered because in this video I'll be revealing 8 powerful vegetables that can support your bladder, kidneys, and sugar levels to help you sleep better without this constant trip to the bathroom. So let's dive into the video. Welcome back to Home of Natural Tips. Number 1 is green beans. Green beans are rich in fiber and magnesium, helping to relax your bladder and balance blood sugar. Okay? Eat them steamed or lightly cook in the evening. This is going to help you because it is rich in fiber. Yeah, that is what you need. All you need is your green beans. Go and get your green beans now. Number 2 is cucumber, hydrating and cleansing your bladder. Because cucumber helps flush out excess sugar during the day so your bladder can rest at night. Enjoy it raw in salad or juice. Just avoid eating it too late. You understand? So cucumber, it is going to keep you hydrated, flush out the excess sugar during the day, and your bladder will rest at night. So that is it. Number 3 is pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed is very good for you and for your bladder because it supports bladder control and prostate health. Okay, so all you need to do is to blend it or add it into your drinks because it is going to help you like magic. Number 4 is carrot. These crushy sweet roots are packed with antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the bladder. Carrots also help with blood sugar and hormonal balance. Eat them raw or boiled. This also work like magic because it is going to help you control your bladder. Everything that is there is going to flush it out for you. Number 15 is okra, a powerhouse for diabetes. Okra regulates blood sugar and smoothing the urinary tract, and it reduces irritation. It is perfect in soup or steaming. Anyone, you can make it, you can use it for your soup and you can also steam it. The both is good for you. Number 6 is celery. This vegetable is a natural leaf that helps flush out waste during the day so that your bladder does not overwork at night. Rich in potassium and water, it helps you to stay hydrated without overwhelming the kidney. You can see it is very rich. Number 7 is bitter leaf, very common in African homes. It detoxifies the liver and kidney, lower blood sugar and reduce inflammation. Bitter leaf juice or soup take in evening can support better nighttime bladder control. Wow. So what are you waiting for? Bitter leaf is cheap to get, is very affordable. So go and get it now. The final one, which is number 8, watermelon seed. When you eat your watermelon, you throw them away. That is the seed. But I want to tell you today that they are rich in magnesium and zinc. Both are important for bladder infection and prostate health. Dry the seed, you can roast it and eat it as snacks. Eat it a few hours before bedtime. This is going to help you like magic. Okay, stop throwing your watermelon seed away. It is rich in zinc. It is going to help you. Thank you so much if you have watched to this extent. So I have bonus tips for you guys, okay? And it's 3, a quick one. So let's start it. Number 1, don't drink too much water 2 hours before time. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, okay, in the evening. Avoid this thing in the evening. Number 3, empty your bladder completely before sleeping. This is going to help you. It's another bonus that I give to you guys. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching.